What's up guys, LB Gamer here doing another video. I know this is kind of an odd topic, but today we're going to be taking a look at my Samsung Galaxy S10 and going through what I have in this device, what apps do I have, and what I use on a daily basis. I know it's kind of an odd video because I usually don't do these sort of stuff, but this is a follow-up video, kind of like an update to what's on my iPhone 7 video that I did last year. And it's just a quick update video on what I have. Now other YouTubers are doing this, so I don't feel nervous doing this. So the phone I have is a Galaxy S10E, like what I said earlier, not the regular S10, not the maxed out S10 Plus. This is just the S10E. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing you'll notice is that I'm using a Spigen case. It only costed around $9 on Amazon, so this was a steal for a deal, although it's kind of banged up. There's a broken piece here, so it doesn't matter because it protected it, but as we unlock the phone, it's just a regular home screen. There's the Samsung Pay app, as well as my gallery and Play Store. And in this folder, it's just some Google apps like Google Chrome, YouTube, Google Photos, and yeah, I also have a few widgets here to tell the time and the weather. And right now it's around 25 degrees here in Yorkton, although it's saying that it's 22 degrees for some reason, I don't know why. But as we move on, I have a few games here like Clash of Clans, a very fun strategy game, Rider, a cool car game that you can do some stunts in this neon world here, Asphalt 9, my favorite racing game, PUBG, one of the best battle royale games for mobile, and World War Heroes, which is kind of like Battlefield 1. I also have a few other games like Slices here, Elder Scrolls Blades, Oceanhorn, Call of Duty, and Jelly Shift. So those are all my games, and now let's move on to some other stuff. So in my social media folder, I have YouTube, which is my favorite social media app, of course, and I also have Facebook, which I don't know why I still have it. I also have Instagram, so you can follow me. I'm Lance_Bermejo, as shown here. I also have Discord, Visco, and Snapchat, so you can add me on Snapchat. I'm Lance Bermejo, as shown here. And right now my Snap score isn't that great, around only 110k. But moving on, I have Messenger, as well as this weird calendar. And then I have Spotify, Galaxy Store, Samsung Notes, and Google Classrooms. But I also have this photo editor to edit some of my photos, as you can see here. I like using this so I can make the photos look a little nicer and make them more adjusted. And it also helps me a lot with graphic design. Contrasting to photos, we also have video editor called InShot, but I don't use this much, mainly just to adjust some videos. But yeah, I don't use this much because it's not a really good video editor unless I want to make a slideshow of photos and videos. I also have Newegg, Amazon, and eBay, and DU Recorder, which is a good video recorder. So when there's a funny video, I could record it and save it to my phone in case I want to see it offline. But yeah, that does it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. So that's all my apps. I'm sorry if this is a shorter video than normal, but if you can leave a like and subscribe, that will be greatly appreciated. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to see more tech videos, vlogs, and gaming, and I'll catch up to you later. Peace out.